Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show and discuss how we capture the screenshot of the web application by using the Playwright. So let's see how we capture. So you can see here I have written one test, a Playwright test, right? And now here I am navigating the URL and verifying the title of the Facebook page. Now if we want to capture the Facebook page uh, screenshot, so what we need to do? So let's see how we capture the screenshot of the home page of the Facebook. So use the await page dot. So there is a method screenshot, and here we need to pass the path variable with screenshot name. Okay, so I'm going to directly give the path name, like giving the home page, suppose that .png. Okay, so this is the image name. So when we run, it will capture the screenshot and store in a homepage.png. So we can here mention the path where we need to up download and take save this screenshot. But as of now I am using here that only the homepage.png, so it will automatically download save the png file under the project. Here you will see. Okay, so Playwright provide the screenshot method. Directly we need to use this screenshot method to capture the screenshot of page. So at which position, at which line number we are calling this method, it will capture the current page screenshot. Okay, let's see. I'm going to run. So if I go in the root folder, you will see one homepage.png file is created. So this is the home page, right? You can see this is not capture the full page, so it's capture only the page which portion is visible on the screen. Okay, now if we want to capture the full screenshot, then how we do that? So in that case, there is one more argument we need to pass here. This is a full page. Okay, and pass the value true. By default this value is false, full page value is false, so it will not capture the full page. But if we want to capture the full page of a screenshot, full page screenshot, then just pass another argument, full page value true. Let me run, and this time you will see. Okay, let me rename this so that both files generate with different name. Home page full screenshot. Okay, let me run again. Go to the code. So you can see two images created. One is the home page only without full screen. Second is the full screen. You can see here we are getting also the uh, footer sections, right? But in the first screen, I am not getting the footer section. Okay, so this way we can capture the element of the pages, full page as well as the partial page, visual page. Okay, so let's see next how we capture the screenshot of the element. So this is the Facebook application. So suppose that I want to capture the screenshot of this create new account button. So let's see. So first of all, we need to use the locator of the element. So inspect this. Here we have data test ID. Copy this. Go to your test. Here await page dot locator. Okay, here pass in the CSS selector of the locator. Let me pass in the single quote. Okay, then there is a method screenshot. Here we can pass again path name. What is the path? So path is basically here. Suppose that I am giving the name of the screenshot, create account.png. Okay, so now if I will run, this will capture the screenshot and of the element of the create account. button and save into the create account.png. Let me run. You will see one more png file will generate with the create account name. Done. If I go here, you can see create account.png file is created. If I open, you can see this is the button screenshot. So we can capture the screenshot of the page, full page, as well as the buttons or any particular element screenshot we can capture. Playwright also provide option to capture the screenshot in the form of base 64. If we want to capture the screenshot in the base 64 format, right, then this we can also do that. So let me use here like buffer variable, and we need to call the await page dot screenshot. So it will capture the current page screenshot and store into the buffer. Now if we want to convert this buffer into the base 64, so we can just write console dot log buffer dot to string and here pass the base 64. So it will give us the base the images captured image into the base 64 coded format. Okay, and where we need to use, we can just inject in HTML format, HTML files or anywhere to view the screenshot. Hope this will be helpful to understand how we capture the screenshot of the pages, right? And also if you like the tutorial, click on the like button, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that you can get latest videos notification. Also share this tutorial to your friends and colleagues and leave a comment if you have any query. Thanks for watching the video.